Oh, hi. Thanks for showing up for your learning. And today we're looking at difference of perfect squares. These are special cases of factoring. They're not trinomials, they'll often be binomials, but they factor into binomial times binomial in a special way. Let's take a look at how. So, like always, we want to get some blank paper and a nice color pen. And we're going to remember this pattern. If you find two squares and we're subtracting one from another, these always factor this way: a plus b times a minus b. And this is true because let's expand it. A times a with FOIL is a squared. A times negative b is minus ab. B times a is plus ab. And b times negative b is negative b squared. And then those middle terms simplify to 0, giving us a squared minus b squared. So that's why this pattern exists algebraically. And don't let me geek out over your times tables and where to find all the differences of squares there, and also different area diagrams and things. So let's break this down. A question like 121 minus 81x squared can be broken down in this way. I know that the square root of 121 is 11. So I know that 121 is a square because it square roots an integer. And then the square root of 81x squared happens to be 9x. If you square 9x, you'll get 81x squared. All right? So we can recognize those. And then we're going to use that pattern of a squared minus b squared as a plus b times a minus b. So this is going to be equal to 11 plus 9x multiplied by 11 minus 9x. And we're done. We're going to throw this into Delta Math. It's going to tell us we're right. And then we're happy. So they also do this trick of like finding the square root of those things and throwing them into the brackets according to the pattern. Okay, that's their method of solution. Let's keep going. Let's do more. Okay, this is, I'm not going to show you on paper. If you can do these in your head, absolutely, power to you. And then 3 plus 10x. All right, so that's going to work because 3 is the square root of 9 and 10x is the square root of 100x squared. And it doesn't matter which bracket has the plus and which one has the minus because you can multiply in either order and you get the same thing. There we go. Oh, hold on a second. Let's do one more example. Keep it a short video. 64x squared minus 1. 1 is a square. It's 1 squared. So this will be equal to 8x plus 1 multiplied by 8x minus 1. There you go. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. All right. Any questions you have about this, hit me up with an email or even a comment on my video. And otherwise, thank you for showing up for your learning. Bye for now.